Surprisingly, there are actually two ways to stable them. The way you probably familiar with is the permanent stable. It's the default setting on the stable. Yes, there are actually settings for the stable. It all has to do with this metal plate or angle, which has two loads or holes. You've probably seen it, but you didn't realise what it's for. With the usual setting, the back side of the stable will be on with units like this. Sometimes this method of fastening is too strong and difficult to do. So that's when the temporary method of fastening comes into play. All you have to do is rotate the plate on the bottom of your stapler. Then, when you staple, it will then staple to fasten instead of to fasten things temporarily. This method is by far the least and utilised stapling method. You can now easily staple by putting it on the plane of the document. A lot of modern staplers don't have this feature, but the larger old school do. There might be so good using better technique. Number 5, the hole at the end of the lollipop. Even though this hole at the end of the lollipop looks like a hole in a flute or whistle, it isn't there to whistle through when you're finished with the lollipop. It's actually there, so that's a little bit of candy technology inside the hole. Just think about it, without the hole, you're extremely well amount of friction between the stick and the candy, which sometimes causes the candy to blow if you're too vicious with your bits. But sort of, at least like that, holding the candy more securely into the stick, allowing it to stay in place until you're done with the consumer with diabetes friendly food. Number 4, dish screws. Everyone knows what dice screws are used for, mayonnaise, and you might be surprised to know that they come in a multitude of different colours, but these colours aren't for aesthetics. These colours indicate the size of the scoop, and these sizes are based on the number of level scoops it takes to fill in the vertical out container. So, if you're looking for the perfect amount of scoops to fill up the pipe, then just refer to this table. It should be plenty, but it needs to vary by manufacturer. So if you're looking for an absolute true view of food costing purposes, the best bet is actually to measure the scoop that you use. Number 3, lids. Again, lids for temporary things are absolutely